Welcome students. In this program we are going to do the sum of the numbers present row wise and column wise. Already you know how to store the values, so this is storing the values, and now let's come directly to the sum of the numbers present row wise and column wise. Now first we are going to do row wise sum. In the row wise sum, see, we have taken one variable sum and rows are declared. So see here, sum is equal to sum plus, same way as we have done the sum of all the numbers, same line you have to write, but we are going to print it before we go to end the row loop. So that is printing it as you end the column. That means you're going to print the sum of the first row. Now row is 0. So 0 plus 1 will make it as 1. So row of the first. And one more thing here we need to write. Sum we have to declare it 0 again. Otherwise it is going to add the previous sum also. And same ways, column wise, nothing to be written, only we will write column 1, column number before and row later. To show you this, let me show you here. See, if I'm going to do row wise, these red lines are going to show me row wise. See, what is changing you have to see here. Row is the same. That means row value is my R. And what is changing is the column. I have to write here 0 because this is 0, 0. So see, it will be like this. R is 0, R remains the same, and then column. The second number is the column, so column is changing. Okay. So if I see here, row wise, see, R remains the same. Column is changing 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're printing it here. And if I show you the column wise, it is like this. This is column wise sum. Suppose I have written 1, 1, 1, 1. I should get here the answer as 4. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. So what is happening is, see, what is changing? Row is changing and this figure remains the same. So in this, what we are going to write? Something which is changing. So we are changing C. So we are changing now, writing here C was written after, here C is written in front. So C is changing and row remains the same. Okay, what happens? C is changing and row has to be same. So this is how we just interchange the variable names here. And let's compile. Okay, before we compile, I also have to declare here sum is equal to 0 again, because then it is going to take the previous answer along. Compile, close, minimize it, and run. So I'm going to give here the values very clear, so that 1, 1, 1, 1, 11, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. See? You can calculate and you can see the answers here. So the first row is 14. Second is 8. First is 14 because here I have written 11. Then is 8. Then is 12. Then is 16. And if I go it like this, so you can just see the sum. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.